Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to cancel a booking on Expedia step by step. First, open the Expedia app or website and go to Trips. Select the booking you want to cancel. Click Change or Cancel and follow the on-screen instructions. For flights, go to Trips, choose your flight, and check under Manage Booking. Keep in mind, some airlines may require you to contact them directly, especially for non-refundable tickets. For vacation packages, find your trip, tap See Cancel options, and follow the steps. Before finalizing, Expedia will show you the refund policies and fees depending on your booking. And that's it. Your cancellation is complete. And that's how to cancel a booking on Expedia. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.